Okay, so I'm planting. Need 3 things to plant a garden, even some 1 pot 3. I'll tell you what we need. We need water, sunlight, and our soil. In USA, for putting plants, we just take this soil, this whole packet. So I have this plastic box when maybe I think I was in the groceries or somewhere. I'm trying to reuse it again to plant with these Métis seeds. I want to show you the Métis seeds. Okay, there's so much shade, I can't show you. Here, they're all yellow. I'm spreading my Métis seeds on the plastic box. Okay, I put the Métis seeds. Now I'm going to put another mix of soil so all the birds don't come and all the squirrels don't come and eat. Okay, get a little more to cover all so all the birds and squirrels can take. Okay, it's done. Water, I got this big can. I'm planting some tomatoes. I took these 6 tomatoes. I'm going to put it in 3 pots. And the seeds inside, you see this inside? Those will be growing and growing and growing and growing like how we grow. So let's start in 3 pots. So I'm telling you, I'll put this and this and this tomatoes. Just one more go. And next is this. Get the hole. So I put my all tomatoes. Now I'm going to cover them with some soil because I don't want all the birds and the squirrels to take all the tomatoes. Wait, this is not. Oh, I forgot that tomato. Okay, I'm gonna put on this tomato, which is 1. Can you all say 1? 1. Good job. Okay. So right there, right there, and you're done. Now let me put the water in all the plants like the tomato and Métis. I'll wait to make the plants grow. Every day I need to get up and put every day water and evening a little so it can grow fast. Let me show you tomorrow or after 5 days. We're trying to grow microgreens. So these are the seeds, which are soaked seeds we are using. And also microgreens are so healthy. And I never tried them before. I'm just trying to try them because they're healthy, right? So I'm planting them, not go and buy shops in this corona. I'm trying the water method. So for the water method, I took a whole basket which has holes. See them? I see my finger right here. So I have soaked meaty seeds. They're almost getting sprouts. See? I see these white ones. And I took some moong dal soaked. How we make this plant is we put one tissue napkin, put all those soaked seeds, put another tissue napkin up. I take this red basket and this steel basket. The steel basket goes down and I cover it with another napkin. Oh, I see. Just spray little water here. When it starts to get sprouts down, it will fall down, right? By poking the tissue way over, and then we could put water right here. Let's wait for the microgreens to grow. It will not come like 5 minutes are done and all the roots are coming. No, we have to wait about like 10, 9, 5 days to do it. I'm going to do it in the next video how it came, my result. I think it will come awesome. I'm so excited for the microgreens and also the plants. So I have these curry leaves and these mint leaves. This is almost growing big. 1, 2, 3. We have lots of bread and lots of gooses in our house. Do you know yesterday that I didn't give bread to that goose? It almost ate the other goose. It did. Okay, let's see. Okay. See that maybe that sparrow comes to eat. See? Ow, too close. But take it. Sparrow. Sparrow. Ooh, look at all these gooses, sparrows. I think they're like eek. Somewhere right there. Too close. Hey, sparrow, get it. Oh, sparrow, eat it. Nobody's there. Okay, let's see the sparrow's eating. I made a cute bird feeder like this. We could hang with this. Make a bird feeder like I'm reusing these water bottles we drink. So, do you know how all the rice came out? So we have to cut a hole somewhere like this. Okay, that's one cute one. If I'm not able to hang it, so I'm not. So this is the second one, which I put some rice, grains, bread inside. Actually like that one. Some water inside when they're thirsty or done eating or want some water. And I also put some for the squirrel breads. All these things I made for them to eat. This is what I did on Environment Day. planting seeds and bird feeding. That's all I did for Environment Day. I will show in my next video how all the birds and squirrels are eating the food I just placed. And also how the plants results come of the roots, so we can water, and the other plant roots and all the other plants also right here. I'm thinking to also measure my plants. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching.